Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the very cool and cute looking Astro Boy. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with his eyes. So just basically two egg shapes. So we're just going to draw in one first. So it's kind of long. So once you have one eye, come across, the spacing of this in between the eyes is almost the width of one eye. So we just kind of double this distance. So it's going to start right around here. So we're going to draw another egg shape. So this part is always tricky to try to get the correct spacing and size. Okay, so it's like that, and then from there we'll add in the eyeballs inside. So we're going to draw another egg shape on the inside corner right here on this side. And then same thing here, we're going to start inside here. Let's curve it. Alright, and then I'm going to draw in one more shape in here, and this is going to be his highlight. And then I'll shade around it. Okay, so that's one, and let's draw the other one. So you can always shade in later if you like. Alright, so after that we're going to add in some eyelash. So right in the middle here, I'm just going to go up one. And then it's got two more on each side, so I'm just going to draw two more. Okay, so same thing here. Center. Two, and then two on this side. Alright, and then from there we're going to draw his nose. So right on the bottom here, right in the center, just draw a little small little egg shape on the side. So it's going to be his nose. And then for his mouth, just come down to from the corner of this side of his nose, just come down, make a little mark, and I'm going to make a nice little smile curving all the way back up here. So it's a little bit off-centered. And then the corner of the mouth, I'm just going to add one little line. Alright, so now let's finish up the head shape. So we're going to start up here, right on the top, we'll go up. Okay, from the eye, just go up, make two little marks. And then we're going to slant it in toward the middle right here. So we're going to draw one big V shape. Okay, so this is going to be his hairline. So now from this point here, we're going to curve all the way around. Just curve it around the eye. Just come down here and just stop. Okay, so same thing here. Just kind of follow the eyeball shape. Stop on the bottom. Okay, so that's the hairline, and now let's draw in his ear. So we're just going to go out on each side and then curve it back in to right around here. Okay, so those are his ears, and then to finish up the chin area, we're just gonna draw one curve around. And that's gonna give us his chin, his head shape. And then to finish up the ear, we can add in two little curves like this on the inside. Alright, so now to draw his awesome looking hair, so we're going to go up here. So right on top of the ears, okay, we're going to start there, and then we'll just go up. So this is almost like a circle. Okay, so this is like almost one big circle like this. So I'm going to go all the way up, just keep going. I know this part's a little bit tricky. Okay, so once you have that, it's got that little spike here. So come right around here, just draw one big spike. And if you want to, you can erase out that line, but if you're gonna shade it black, then we won't be able to see that line anyways. Okay, and then one spike here on the side. So we're gonna continue this, go out, and just come into the head. And then once you have all that, to finish up the face, gotta draw in his eyebrow. So right above the eye right here, Just one little curve. Alright, so yeah, very cool and cute looking face. So for his body is very easy. Let's draw his neck. We just come down just a little bit. Very short neck. Okay, and then on his shoulders, just kind of go out, and it's gonna be very small. Okay, we're gonna come down here. This is gonna be his armpit. Let's come down, and then we'll slant this out, and then close it. So this is gonna be kind of the belt area. And then for his belt, it's got a really big belt right here. So I'm just gonna draw one line across. And let's continue down here, finish up the hip area before I draw in the arms. So I'm just gonna extend this slant going out. Okay, so come down the middle here. I'll draw one little line across first. And then from these corners, this is gonna be a short or underwear. All right, we'll just close that off. Okay, so now let's draw in the arm. So here's the armpit right here. So I'm gonna start on the bottom right here. I'm just gonna curve. Okay, so just a small little curve right around here. And then I'm gonna go back up here. Just draw a bigger curve. Just follow the one on the inside here. So just one big tube. So that's gonna be his arm. And then for his fist, just gonna draw one curve like this, just a little hook. And then we'll continue this. Just go down and just curve it in right into the thumb. Alright, so that's one arm, and let's draw in the other one. And this one's gonna be holding his fist kind of upwards. So just give this a little space here. Just come down. I know it's kind of strange because it's floating out of nowhere. But just draw a little egg shape for his thumb. And then right in the middle here, just draw one big, kind of like a rounded rectangle. So those are the his rest of his fingers. And then I'm just gonna add in two little lines here just to give him 3 more fingers. I know he's supposed to have more, but we'll just keep it simple. Okay, so now that we have the fist floating out here, we're gonna connect them. So start on the armpit area right here. I'm just gonna curve into the fist. And then for this part, we're just gonna it's pretty straight. Yeah, we can just draw a straight line there. Okay, so that's the upper body, and his legs are super easy. So we're gonna continue with this line here. Straight, come back up here in the corner, come down, and then close it with a slight slant. So this is gonna be the top of his boot right here. And let's just draw this first then. We'll just come to the side, draw a little bracket, and then close it off. Alright, so let's draw on the other side. Use the other side for reference. So continue the slant. Close it. Same thing here, bracket, and then close it up as well. Okay, so now for his boot. So we're gonna come down. So come down right around here first. We're gonna stop, and then I'm gonna continue this line here. Make it a little bit longer, and then for the shoe, or his foot area right here, just gonna curve it up all the way up to this point. Keep curving out, and then one horizontal line to close off the shoes. All right, so same thing here. Come down, so stop right around here. Continue this line, go all the way down. And then now curve this up here, and then keep going out to finish up the dome shape, and then close it off. And that is it for this Astro Boy. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please check out my other videos, and I will see you next time.